Paano ka manonood ng TV sa laptop? Ganito. Press this button. Kailangan nandyan. So, press the button. It doesn't work. Okay. And then, you're ready to go. Ito na mga live TV. Punta mo yung guide. Malaman mo kung ano gusto mong panoorin. Ooh, The Godfather is good. Hindi masyadong malinaw eh. Ano natin. Yan.
Ever notice how some air fresheners seem strong just
Right.
around the outlet? Get the Glade plug-in scented oil fan and fill the
Goose
whole...
goose.
Only at Toys R Us. It's time to throw an enchanted party with a Disney princess and...
Pwede mo sabihin na magre-record ka na? Bawa ito.
Would you like a cookie? Tea time has always been my favorite time of day. You have everything you need for...
Pwede ka mag-record? Sabihin mo record?
Would you like to bake an apple pie with
Record?
Cinderella? It's a recipe for fun for all your...
Ito yung mga na-record ko na.
You can get it now, but only
Excuse
at
me.
Toys R Us.
Minute. Nag-mute na lang ako. Yan yung mga na-record ko na. So, sample to halimbawa. Yan, yung na-record ko. Okay. Okay. Yan yung recording yan eh. So, tayo na muna natin. Tapos kung gusto mo mag-add ng recording, piliin mo lang yan. Tapos guide. Anong gusto mo panoorin? Anong gusto mo i-record? Halimbawa, ito. Murder, She Wrote. Magandang palabas. American Gangster. Halimbawa. So, gagawin mo lang. Yan. Record. Kaya tanong sa'yo kung kaya na i-record. O kaya, kung ayaw mong record yan, do not record. Undo. Tapos, halimbawa, Philippine time yan, kaya ganyan. Halimbawa, ito, Simpsons na lang. Matagal pa. Okay. Record. Yan. Nagre-record na yan. Schedule. Yan ang TV. Tapos, halimbawa, ayoko na. Lalabas na ako. Back. 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 All the way. All the way back. Yan. Yan ang alam kong gawin eh. Play DVD. Ito naman. DVD. Okay. Tapos nalabas na ako. Turn it off. Kahit naka-off yan, magre-record yan. On. Ayan, mag-on.